What's going on YouTube? So today I bought another vacuum. I got the Shark Navigator Pet 0M machine. I believe this is the NV60, something like that. I'll put it in the description, the exact model number, unless I see it when I'm opening this up. But it's going to join the Apex, its big brother. I didn't get a lift-off model, or a lift-away model, because I already have a powered lift-away. So no need for two. I figured let's just get a good high capacity upright vacuum. It's got a longer hose, which is nice. You don't really need to lift away. Then I got all the other machines here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now this didn't, for some reason the box isn't sealed with tape, which is odd. Hopefully this isn't a return. Picked this up for Walmart for about 180 bucks. So anyways, here we have the instructions. Don't really need those. Got the wand. Open it up. The handle and hose, I mean. Got a nice long hose. Plastic bag. There we go. All right. Remove sticker and install clip before first use. I plan on it. I think that's just the clip that holds it to the machine. And this is the suction control valve. This is nice. This kind of has suction control, but it's really 3 settings. This has full manual suction control, which is going to be nice for doing carpet. You also get a few attachments. This little crevice tool. And a little upholstery tool, similar to the one that has. Put that over here, actually. Here's the wand. And the machine itself. Nice and new, never been used. Nice clear bin for now. Now this has a pretty big size bin. Let me make sure this whole thing's in the shot. This is the machine right here. If I get this cord out of the way. It's got a nice big bin. It's got the 0M brush roll, which I found on that one to work pretty good. It doesn't have dual clean. Get that off. And let's see. Take this piece of tape off. Dust cup release. That's how you get the dust cup off. It's got a square foam filter with a felt filter underneath. So different than the Apex. Dust cup, of course, releases from the bottom or from the top. This one's got a plastic shroud for the cyclone, or that one's got a metal one. So you can see where a lot of the cost savings were. Now let's get this put together. It's also got the different settings. We got off, hard floor, carpet, think that just controls the brush roll speed. So if you look on the bottom of this, it does have a nice felt squeegee, so it can do hard floors effectively. So whether you got duo clean or not, as long as you got that nice squeegee to make a good seal on hard floor, it'll work all right. This in here. There we go. This clips in. Where does this clip in? Oh. Clips in on the back here. There, that there, that there. You've got your tool holders. I'm gonna reverse that actually. No, that's good. Actually, yeah. I'll put this on the side. And there we are. Of course, you got the cord. You wind up the cord real quick. Get this thing off. Cord line goes from here to where? Down here, I guess. Oh, there we go. All right. And there you have it. The Shark Navigator pet series machine. Doesn't have the headlights. I don't really care for headlights that much. If you want the headlights, they do have the rotator with duo clean and 0M. And let me see if this does say the model number. Yep, the ZU60, so I was right. So this is the ZU60 series machine. And then after this, I will do a quick demonstration, and that'll be that. If you enjoyed watching so far, leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more vacuum videos. Thank you.